I'm here in New Mexico at this abandoned truck stop here. A while back I put some stickers. Check if they're still here. If not, I'll put some more up anyways if they're still there. Let's check this place out real quick. Maybe I'll walk around some of these tracks. Save Us 2020. Should have brought my blaster with me. Looks a little creepy inside there. I put the stickers last time. Put them over here, I think, on this. Stick a sticker over there. The roof is falling apart. So part of it's on the ground over here. It's making eerie sounds. No, I kind of wish I would have brought my blaster with me. Oh well, where? Dead inside, do not open. Is this a good place to put a sticker? I think so, just a minute. Grab a sticker up. Keep on sticking. There's the bad beam. Creepy, man. It's hanging from the thing. It feels like makes me nervous to go inside. I don't want to do it, but the wire breaks. Man, that is some creepy sounds. Let me put a sticker over here. Anyone that comes inside to see. There's a good spot right here. This box. Transient was here. Damn, I wish I would have brought my gun with me. It's creepy as hell. The sound it's making just makes it even more creepy. Oh yeah, I should hang out my coin here. Take some Instagram pictures somewhere. All right. makes sense. Where's a good place for an Instagram picture? I don't know how well the sound's gonna come through, but it is creepy. Reminds me of a horror movie, horror video game. Crops. I see that tag all over Crops. I think he's a truck driver because I see his tag all across the country or the route I take. I took some shots. Let me take just the sound and everything just makes this creepy as hell. Train. Another truck over there. Yeah, definitely next time we go checking out abandoned buildings and bringing the guys. That one. Is that a good spot for? Picture right about there. All right, let me take an Instagram picture of that. Face reveal, right? I can slow down the video and see my face. Paso El Smasho. Alright, I gotta get this right. Paso El Smasho. See, you're supposed to pass a semi-truck on the left, not on the right. Paso El Smasho. This is a better place to park. Okay. Nice chest. Oh, look, it's a ladder. Climb up on the roof. Should I do it? Should I climb up on the roof? You know I'm gonna. This is next time I'll bring him my gun. The roof. There are some cops passed over here, so I don't want to get in no trouble. This is a place to take a picture, explore. Didn't fall through the floor. So, I'll take a picture. Let me climb down off this roof. Oh shit. There's a soft spot there. See, this is why I want to get off this roof. Crap. Let me get out of here. So I'm taking a break. Well, that was fun and a little scary. Time to get back on the road. This is Tucumcari, New Mexico, by the way. Well, keep on stacking.